Hey Beastie, at Metals and Pieces, we really strive to make sure that when we send out your orders, or when I send out your orders, that they are packed to the extreme. Both extreme protection and an extreme unboxing experience. So with that in mind, I want to give you guys a little teaser, a sneak peek what to expect when you order from Metals and Pieces. Here we go. Boom, all of that, yeah, beating it up. All right there, Beastie. If you enjoy packaging as durable and epic as you are, go ahead, hit that like button. If you want to see more jewelry features on this channel, hit the subscribe button so you know when they're coming up. And otherwise, I will see you later. Bye! I can't get it with nails.